2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during BlazeMail's Bay Day tournament. This time, the Dragon King is seeking revenge for their previous match. With a record of 1-2, he challenges this Blader once again. He's a Blader who needs no introduction, 1HD's Tribal Chief, D-Burst. Will the Dragon King make it even and get his revenge, or will D-Burst widen the gap? Stick around to find out. This is the Dragon deck that I'll be using on this challenge. Grand Buster with a 360 ratchet and a Rush bit. Wyvern Gale with a 380 ratchet and a Hexa bit. Grand Sword with a 960 ratchet and a flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge. Okay na ako. First base. Ay! Dito pala.
Oh, ba't doon yan?
Naka ako, sorry. Ito ko mura. Ay, meron na pala. Nakabayad ko lang. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Wala. Gandang sayad na yun. Uy! Tumayo pa! Uy! Tumayo pa!
Makatayo ka pa ha, kung ito ka.
Anong beat niya?
Hey!
Uy! What the shit? Okay.
Nightmare!
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Tago, ikaw naman tago.
Hinaan mo lang.
Anong beat mo?
Ball.
Dapat tinap na lang nila. Tapos ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ayan. Hindi nagwala. Uy! Paano nangyari yun? Okay na ako. Hey! Ha? Ikaw yun?
Hindi, Paul.
One, go. Go. Yeah. Go.
Makabuhay.
Ayaw eh. Parehas kahit ako, hindi siya nag-ano eh.
Yan yung ano yung pangat sa...
Parang kumakabit siya dito na. Wala naman. Yeah, spring stealan tayo. Yan o. Tutu ba? First pa lang to, di ba? Ay! Oh, sabi. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Tinago ko lang din eh.
Tumagsik. Nakarangyaw. Tumagsik yun. Yan na.
Tago! Uy, gago.
Umimos na yun.
Oh! Uy, okay lang, 1 point. Okay lang, 1 point. Kung tayo 1 point, no? 3 point. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, 1-0. Mamabawi ako ah. Yan. Shuffle. Sige. Okay na ako.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Stay. Umilid na eh. Higa-higaan eh. Gumagana pala talaga. Ito na naman. Pero natalo ko isa, diba? Hindi ba? Hindi ko pala talo.
Yep. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Pag wala ka, dumulas ka. Dumulas ka. Huwag ka puputok, huwag ka puputok.
Third base.
Yan. Exu versus Chrome.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Ano na sir?
3, 2. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Si Francis pa. Ano na?
Round. 1 na tayo.
Bakit mo?
Kasi kanina natalo ka dyan. Tapos natalo ako doon.
Baka dapat favorable side tayo.
Okay na. Okay. Yep. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Wala na akong pag-aasa. Wala na akong pag-aasa.
Nakakabawi.
Huwag ka sana. Yun, iniba ko.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Tapos mag-isa eh, no? Naku, lugi pa rin ako, gago. Sabi na.
Last round, 1-1 standing, 3-3 ang score.
Pag lalabas ako.
Okay, guys, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Kinakamter ko yung tira ko. Para hindi matama yung ratchet.
Uy, Toyo!
Yun! Uy, regain ka lang. Speed steal. Sumayad din sa'yo, gago. Boy, boy! Hindi nag-speed steal eh, nakakainis.
Ganito na yung last na laban.
Kung naano mo, kung nakuha ng kita nun, pwede pa eh. Diba?
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 1, D-Burst 2. It was a close match, but the Dragon King fell short. Your winner, and still the Dragon King Challenge Champion, D-Burst. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to D-Burst, and I'll see you guys on the next video.